Got the Turbo S 458 A12. Look at those wheels. Oh, we got a velvet Tesla Model Y. Whoa! What? Wow. Dang. Gosh. Aw. Such a baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. On the road, baby. Just a way to do it and flex. Ooh, we got Mr. Sheep in the shot here. Look at that. Yeah. It's looking real nice. Yeah. Yo, what is the wrap on that C8? Got an SVJ Roadster right here. Very nice. Guys, look at that license plate. Nice. Matte black F8 Tributo. Oh, a Shelby GTRS? What? Very nice color on the 720S. Oh, 765 LT. My bad. Look at that gorgeous color. Just wow, perfect spec right there. Guys, what do you think about the Rolls Royce? Is it a perfect spec or a worst off spec? And the color on the Lamb truck, pretty nice. Oh, the Viper ACR Extreme is back. Yes. The Mustang Mach-1 with the handling package and a GT2RS. Nice. old school 4GT, baby. Oh, you want to get this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Gone in 60 seconds.
Venom 650R Viper. Got the new 4GT right here. Oh yeah. That's gonna be sick.
Black Testarossa. And an SF90. NSX.